All right, so it's halftime, people. This is basically halftime report. Dominican Republic 1, Jamaica 0. So they're leading at halftime. Pretty much a balanced game, I would say. I do think that our midfield is kind of a bit too unsure of what they want to do. If they want to press, if they want to sit in a half press, they do have a lot more possession. But in regards to in the final third, they are getting off some lethal shots. A goal was ruled off offside. Fortunately, they would have been 2-0 up, but that should have been the warning signal for what we need to do, how we need to get better. Oh, people, smash the like button, people. Hit the like button. Please, guys, hit the like button. I do think that we're being overloaded in the midfield. So the idea of just Bicknell and Pearson alone, that can't work for the second half. We need to add an extra person, an extra body in the neutral zone to supplement the work that Bicknell and Pearson is doing. I'm not sure. We need to move from the back three, I think. Defensive errors. I'm seeing some defensive errors here and there. Some stuff we need to just tighten up on a bit. Poor goalie conceded a little bit of I would say a poor defensive mistake there by Morgan. Also, the second goal conceded a miss kick from Blake. So we do see errors which we need to fix up on and try to clean up those aspects of what we're trying to do. And we do have a little bit of check going forward. I do think that Jamar Clark is a bit isolated up front and he needs that extra support. He has pacey wingers. Duncan McKenzie coming in too deep. If he wants to play as a winger or wants to play as a number 10, you can't have Pearson playing as a 10 and Duncan also playing as a 10. So there's a bit of balance issue right there, specifically over on the left-hand side where Pearson is at and also Duncan is at. Both of them want to occupy the same spaces. So once we can fix these issues, in going to the second half, I do think that we can get something from this game. The World Cup hopes are just getting a bit slimmer. Hopefully we can get past this. Big up, people. And this is a halftime review. Hopefully you guys are doing good. We'll see you guys at full time. We're out.